In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to be discreet about any career changes or simply want a bit more privacy on the platform. So sit back and let me guide you through each step of the process. First things first, head over to linkedin.com and sign in to your account. You'll need to be logged in to adjust the settings related to your visibility and activity. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the LinkedIn homepage, where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, look for a tab labeled Visibility. This area is essential as it houses several options regarding the visibility of your actions and status on LinkedIn. You'll then want to scroll down and find the section labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is where we can really make some changes to enhance your privacy. Now, you're going to click on Manage Active Status. Your active status is what lets others know when you're online. Choosing the option No One Here will mean that your connections won't know when you're active on the site. This is a handy feature if you want to keep a low profile. Next up, let's ensure your activity updates don't get broadcasted to your network. Look for the option that says Share Job Changes, Education Changes and Work Anniversaries from Profile. You'll want to turn this off. By doing so, updates about new positions and anniversaries won't be automatically shared with your connections. Continuing on, find the setting for Notify Connections when you're in the news. Once you locate this, you'll want to toggle it off. This will prevent LinkedIn from notifying your network if your name pops up in any news articles. It's another small step that adds to your desired privacy. Another setting to adjust is Notify Network if mentioned in news. You'll want to turn this off as well. That way, if someone mentions you in news content, your network won't be notified, giving you that extra peace of mind. Finally, let's address who can follow you. Return to your visibility settings and seek out the Followers section. In here, you should select your connections to ensure that only the people you are directly connected with can follow your updates. And there you have it. With these adjustments, you've successfully hidden your activity on LinkedIn, giving you a bit more control over your digital footprint. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy your newfound privacy.